Hey everybody, Jem Schofield of the C47 and another episode of Gearbox 2.0. In this episode, we're going to talk about all of this madness and also these little things from Spiffy Gear, the LUMEE. So let's get started. All right, kids, this is NAB 2019, and this is day 2 of my field workshops. This is small to no crew. This is corporate and in-house. We are at MG Studio. This is the primary space that we're doing the workshops. Polaris, where we did it for the past 2 years, closed down. Owner retired, got a boat, went off to sea, and is enjoying himself. So about 40 people in here today. This is the set that was built. We were using this a lot yesterday for lighting. We have other lighting and modifiers up there. We're about to get into like all of the small grip kit and kit for small to no crew production. But a gentleman by the name of Udi from a company called Spiffy Gear that makes the specular lights came by yesterday and he showed me these little suckers. They're called LUMEEs and they're going to be about $50 US and they go right onto your wrist if you want, but built-in batteries, they run for about an hour and 20 each. This is the bicolor version. You change intensity using this. You can change color temperature with this middle button, and then there's going to be some effects and some other stuff that's going to be available. Run for about an hour and 20 minutes, but there's USB here. They're going to have a cold shoe. I think that's going to be cold shoe. It's definitely going to be quarter 20. You can power these and charge these off of here. And then there's another version, which is ridiculous, which is your RGB version. And then once you've dialed in red, green, or blue, what you can do is you can then change the variation of that particular color. So again, these are going to be about 50 bucks. You can use them for set safety, but primarily for me, I could see having a 6-pack of these as accent lights to use inside of the productions. They'll be here at the show, but then they'll be available in the pretty near future from Spiffy Gear, the LUMEE light. I don't think they're online yet, and I'm going to get back to it because we're almost at 1:10 on Sunday, and we have to get to it. So you guys see you next time on Gearbox.